I'll probably drop some videos for the next couple.
Hi guys, it's Lisa from Border Balloons. I just wanted to make a quick video on how to, or the easy way, how to tie a foil balloon. So let's check it out. First, grab your foil balloon and your curling ribbon. I use at least 6 feet. Hold the balloon in between your thumb and your index finger. Fold the tail up in half. Make a loop or a slip knot on your other fingers and tuck it through the slip knot. Hold firm and pull the string. And voila! The purpose of this tie is not to cover the neck in case you need to reinflate. Just pull the tail end and it's done. This is the easy way how to tie a foil balloon.